Hello friends, I am Nilima. Welcome to NJ classes. Today we are going to learn unitary method. Unit means one. Unitary method is a technique for solving a problem by first finding the value of a single unit and then finding the necessary value by multiplying the single unit value. The formula to find out single unit value is total value divided by number of units. Now let me explain unitary method with the help of example. Ram buys a dozen of bananas for rupees 24. 12 bananas for rupees 24. Find out the cost of 15 bananas. Now using unitary method, we have to find out the cost of one banana. So, the cost of 12 bananas equals 24 rupees. The cost of one banana is total value divided by number of unit equals 24 divided by 12. Equals 2 rupees. So, the cost of one banana is 2 rupees. Now, to find out cost of 15 bananas, we have to multiply it with 2. We get the cost of 15 bananas equals 2 multiplied by 15 equals 30 rupees. There are two types of unitary method. Direct variation method and indirect variation method. Let's see direct variation method. If we increase any one value, then other value also increases. If we decrease any one value, then other value also decreases. Let's see example. More articles, more money required to purchase. If you purchase one pen for rupees 5, then for 5 pens you have to spend 25 rupees. Similarly, less speed, less distance covered. If speed is decreases, then distance covered in fixed time also decreases. Here, increase of one value increases the other and decrease of one value decreases the other. So, this method is known as direct variation. Indirect variation is opposite to this. Here, increase of one value decreases in other and decrease in one value increases the other. For example, more men, less time required to complete work. If there are more men, work can be completed in less time. If there are less men, then time required to complete work is more. Less speed, more time required to cover fixed distance. If you increase speed, then you require less time to cover fixed distance. Means here one quantity increases, so other decreases. And if one decreases, then other increases. So, this method is known as indirect variation. Now, the next problem is cost of 40 meter cloth is rupees 200. Find the cost of 50 meter cloth. Again, we have to write down the given, and the given is the cost of 40 meter cloth equals 200 rupees. Now, calculate the cost of 1 meter cloth, which is 200 divided by 40 equals 5 rupees. Now here we have the cost of 1 meter cloth is 5 rupees. So the cost of 50 meter cloth equals 5 multiplied by 50, which gives 250 rupees. The next problem is a car can cover a distance of 522 km on 36 liters of petrol. How far can it travel on 14 liters of petrol? Here the given is with 36 liters of petrol, car covers 522 km. Now calculate with 1 liter of petrol, the distance covered by car is 522 divided by 36 equals 14.5 kilometer. As in 1 liter petrol, distance covered by car is 14.5 kilometer. So with 14 liters of petrol, distance covered equals 14.5 multiplied by 14. Here 14.5 is kilometer and 14 is liters, equals 203 kilometer. Hence, with 14 liters of petrol, distance covered by car is 203 kilometer. Friends, I hope you would understand how to solve the problem of unitary method. If you have any doubt, please write in comment box. If you like this video, share with your friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon